Okay, so for art, you are supposed to look at this website and you're supposed to write an essay on one of these artists. So I just clicked artists, and there's a lot of different options you can choose from. A lot. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a random one because that sounds like fun. Let's go with Joan Jonas because they have a fun name. Okay, Joan Jonas, right? So I'm going to look at one of Joan Jonas's pieces of art. So he has a lot of different things going on. Okay, so she does live performance, drawing, and live video feed. So let's click. So this is one of her pieces of art. So if you wanted to, you could write an article about this one. And you're basically just talking about why you like it, why you picked it, and what you think is interesting about it. And that's it. Okay, good luck.